I think we were living in two different worlds, looking for someone who would be like our friend, my soulmate, someone whom I could really say is like me, and that's when I met him.
मैंने तुझे देखा हंसते हुए गालों में बेज़र ख्यालों में हुस्न के हवालों में
The best thing that I like about her is that I can be completely honest with her. And that gave me, I think, a lot of confidence. You can be whoever you are and they will accept you for who you are.
जितनी तू मिलती जाए उतनी लगे थोड़ी थोड़ी जब भी तू ले अंगड़ाई आके मेरे ओरी तो दिल झूम झूम चले सोने सोने यार दिल झूम झूम चले सोने सोने यार
I think his very chilled out behavior made me come towards him. He's a very comfortable person to talk to. Maybe I want to know him more, and this is someone whom I might think of having a life with.
बचपन के सावन बीते लड़कपन की बीती धारा
I think I was completely stunned, and then tears started rolling down my face. Just like that, because I was just so happy that she finally found someone who matches her perfectly.
तेरी एक नजर पे मेरी सांस का सहारा है तुम
No one deserves this eternal happiness of marriage, of a partner that is as wonderful as Imroz, as faithful, as loving, as selfless as Imroz. No one deserves this eternal happiness more than my younger sister.
चले चले सोने सोने यार दिल चले सोने सोने यार
She had come over to my house and she had messaged me in the afternoon saying, "Oh my god, I have to tell you something really big. So what's the big news?" And she just went like that.
I was like, what? Really?
We were just so happy and overwhelmed with the news that it's finally happening. She found the love of her life.
पत्ता ना रोका पत्ता चेना रोका जैसे हवाओं में ऐसे भटकता हूँ दिन रात दिखता हूँ मैं तेरी राहों में मेरे गुनाहों में मेरे सवाबों में शामिल तू
I have actually one very important advice for Tabir is get your own mirror. Right? If you have one mirror in the house, Imroz is going to stand in front of it for 23 hours a day. So he'll sometimes goes and looks into the mirror just for no reason.
When I saw myself getting ready as a bride, I still can't believe I'm a bride. I still can't believe that this day has come and everyone in my house has prayed so much for it, looking forward to it. I've seen so many things around me happening and I've wondered what's going to happen in my life. But when I saw myself today in the mirror, all I could think of was, wow, this day has actually arrived.
आजा 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 खो जाऊं तेरी वादियों में सो जाऊं आजा 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 खो जाऊं तेरी वादियों में सो जाऊं.
What comes to mind first is a warm glow, the warm glow that she inherits from her mother, which I hope she can now multiply and take on as a legacy. Imroz, today we give you what is dearest to us. Nothing is more precious for us than Tabeer.
खो जाऊं तेरी वादियों में सो जाऊं.
दिल पे रखिया तेरी दुआवा तू है मेरा साथी. एतबार कर वे तो मैया ना कर तू देरी. वे माही माही जग छोड़े आवे, वे माही माही दिल लगे आवे, वे माही माही तू है.
उसके ऊपर जो नूर उतरा, जो उसकी जो सब उसको देख रहे थे, तो मैं भी एक ख्वाब की तरह उसको महसूस कर रही थी कि ये मेरी ही बेटी है जो इस वक्त गुड़िया की तरह चल के आ रही है, एक परी की तरह आ रही है.
वे माही माही तू है मैं हूँ, वे माही माही चल चले आवे.
There's a connection when you see that look on her face. I could see she was winking at me, and she was, as happy as I was.
लगे आवे माही तू है मैं हूँ, वे माही माही चल चले आवे.
When I was signing the Nikahnaama, the first feeling that I got was, this is the man I'm going to be spending the rest of my life with. And I think it's been the best decision that I've made right now. I feel that when I was walking down the aisle, there was a man waiting for me who is so gentle and caring. And I just know that he's waiting to take care of me and love me and give me all the happiness that I want.
माँ की दुनिया भी तू और ख्वाबों की ताबीर भी तू, माँ की दुनिया भी तू और ख्वाबों की ताबीर भी तू. अब तुझे अपने हमसफर के साथ हर कदम साथ साथ रखना है, एक मिसाली वजूद बनना है, एक मिसाली वजूद बनना है. दिल की गहराइयों से आज तुझे देती हुई ये दुआ उठाकर हाथ, तेरे और तेरे हमसफर के लिए हर रोज रोज ईद हो और हर शब शबे बारात.
वे माही माही सब छोड़े आवे, वे माही माही दिल लगे आवे, वे माही माही तू है मैं हूँ, वे माही माही चले चले आवे. तू है इनायत, तू है चाहत, तुझसे मैं तो हूँ, मेरे दिल की मंजिल तू है, तेरे लिए मैं हूँ ओ माही.
बस अल्लाह मियाँ ने इन दोनों की किस्मत में लिखी थी शादी, और इसीलिए ये दिन मुकर्रर हुआ.
आज मैंने उसे पुकारा, मिसेस ताबीर ज़हरा इमरोज़ अदीब नकवी, कैसी हैं आप?